birds are a very important part of animal kingdom, and the king of this kingdom is definitely an eagle. Its cousin is called a hawk. In the forest, you can find a woodpecker, or if you're lucky, you can come across an owl. A swallow is a little bird. A pigeon can be found in the forest or in the city, and so does the raven. A swan and a seagull are birds connected with water. Exotic birds are like penguins or flamingos or different kinds of parrots. The smallest one is a hummingbird. Ostrich lives in Australia. Last but not the least is the peacock.